Have you ever dreamed of a life where your money works for you instead of you working for your money? Imagine waking up to find you've earned income while you were sleeping. This isn't a fantasy. It's the power of passive income. It's the ultimate strategy to separate your time from your earnings, giving you the true freedom to live life on your own terms. Today, we're going to explore 4 powerful ways to build these income streams and start your journey towards financial independence. First, let's talk about dividend stocks. When you buy shares in large established companies, you're not just buying a piece of the company. You're also entitled to a share of their profits. These payments are called dividends. Think of it like this. As the company succeeds and grows, they reward their shareholders by paying them directly, often every 3 months. Over time, these consistent payouts can become a reliable source of income. By reinvesting these dividends, you can buy more shares, and your income stream starts to grow even faster. This is one of the most classic and time-tested methods for building wealth passively. Next up, we have the world of digital products. This is where the phrase, "create once, sell forever," truly comes to life. Imagine writing an ebook, recording an online course, or designing a set of digital templates. You invest your time and expertise up front to create a high-quality product. But once it's finished and listed for sale online, it can be sold over and over again 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with no extra effort from you. The potential for scale is enormous. Unlike a physical product, there's no inventory to manage and no shipping to worry about. It's a purely digital business that can generate income for years to come. Our third strategy is affiliate marketing. You probably already recommend products and services you love to your friends and family. Affiliate marketing turns those recommendations into a source of income. Here's how it works. You partner with a company and promote their products. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The key is to only recommend products you genuinely trust and believe in. This builds credibility with your audience, whether it's on a blog, a social media channel, or a YouTube page. You don't have to create a product or handle customer service. You simply connect people with valuable solutions and get paid for it. Finally, let's explore real estate crowdfunding. For many, owning property seems out of reach due to high costs and the hassles of being a landlord. Crowdfunding changes the game. It allows a group of investors to pool their money together to buy a piece of a large real estate project like an apartment building or a commercial office space. You can invest with a much smaller amount of capital and become a part owner of a property without ever having to deal with tenants or repairs. A professional management team handles all the day-to-day operations, and you simply collect your share of the rental income and potential property appreciation. It's a modern, hands-off way to invest in the stable and profitable world of real estate. So there you have it. Dividend stocks, digital products, affiliate marketing, and real estate crowdfunding. Each of these strategies offers a unique path to building passive income. The real power comes when you start building multiple streams. Imagine income flowing in from your stock portfolio, your online course, your affiliate links, and your real estate investments, all at the same time. This diversification protects you and accelerates your journey to financial freedom. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Choose one of these engines, learn everything you can, and take the first step to build your passive income future. Thank you for watching.